In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Mailerlite. We're going to walk through the entire sign-up process together, step by step, so that by the end, you'll have your account created and ready to go. I'll also point out a few things to watch out for so everything goes smoothly on your first try. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Mailerlite homepage. Once you're there, look for the button that says Sign Up Free. It's usually easy to spot near the top of the page. Go ahead and click that button to begin creating your account. You'll now see a form where you need to enter a few basic details. Type in your company name, or if you don't have a company, you can use your personal brand or project name. Then enter your full name, the email address you want to use for this account, and a secure password. Make sure the email you provide is one you can access right now because you'll need it for verification, and choose a password that you don't use elsewhere. When everything looks correct, click the button that says Create My Account. Next, switch over to your email inbox. Mailerlite will send you a verification email to confirm that the address you entered is valid and belongs to you. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute or two, and don't forget to check your spam or promotions folder. When you find the message, open it and click the Verify Email Address link inside. This step is important because you won't be able to fully use your account until your email is verified. After your email is verified, log back into Mailerlite. On your dashboard, you'll see an option to Complete Profile. Click that to continue setting up your account. Here, you'll be asked for information like your business industry and your physical address. Enter details that accurately describe what you do and where your business is located. This information helps Mailerlite keep your account compliant with email marketing regulations and builds trust with your subscribers. Finally, you'll be presented with a few questions about how you collect subscribers and how you plan to use email marketing. Answer these honestly based on your current setup or your plans. When you're done, click Request Approval. Mailerlite will review your information, and once approved, your account will be ready to use for sending campaigns, building lists, and creating automations.